Usembut Menteri Rangba kajala ubak singa balang dhar hakalai trik nailar. Ula kyntu ya ka Voice of the People Party VPP bakan shimi kisin jam ban kiar nakaba penong ya ka jingai paidbah. Namarla jied iki ban kren ni ki jing jing ki paidbah bat ka sarkar. Ya kani umintri ula penpa hobak kedau halor ka jing temu jong ka VPP ban penong da ka jingai paidbah sya sekretariat ha ka Henry trik nailar. Ha ka jing shisha kam dan kami ki VPP bakin nektar sya sekretariat. Kilak benwan bat IT ka dor khas sya Menteri Rangba. Ngilak ben penong ya ka jinga kren bat kani ka dei kalinti kumno bangi penyat ya ka sarkar ong ubak singa balang habak kren syakilat pathai kubor. Ula ong ru baka jingkhang jong ka sarkar ka pli ya baro ki seng san perthai bakin pensngawi kimat bakirki. Kalong ka jing shisha ladai kidon kinu kimat ki bakirki na kinu ki seng san perthai kidan ya ka hok ban ya kendo ya Menteri Rangba ni ya ka sarkar. Kilong ki balap diang ladai ki wan ban IT ki mat ki bagi kwa ban pensngau yen ya kren bat ki kam dan kanu ka jing ula ong ha bakli la ka don ne ka jing thmu san perthei halendat jong ka jing thmu ya pat ba uba snga balang ula ong ki babon ki mat balara da ka VPP ki la don lupa ha ka jing kren bat ya mirjing mon ngaladap yo ki mat ki jongki ki don khindiat Henry ki babon ki la don lupa ha ka jing kren kumta ngin saya pet onda kiwan le se ki kwa banya kendu ya Menteri Rangba kilong ki ba pediang sngoba lada kiwan katu kat ningut kinong alam kumbang jule bat kino ki bakwa penong jinga ki ula ong usumbut Menteri Rangba ula bu jingkeliru halor kini jingkhat penong jinga ki halor kimat ki bala banya keren da ka ba ong kinong mikmat paidbah ki de banya keren ki jing jong ki paidbah bet bat ka sarkar. Ladai kimat ki barit bariaru ni haban khot ya paidbah bentur sya sekretariat ka ka jingmut bagi paidbah kin jied ingi. Nila syak jied hai ki paidbah ban mikmat nak bentai ki jing jongi. Nak bentai kimat ki barit baria ladai ngi khot ki paidbah bagin wan bentur sya sekretariat kani kam de satya kalenti ula benram. Parok ki MLA bat MDC ki de kinong lam paidbah ki dan ka hong ban yakindu ya Menteri Rangba bat ya ka sarkar bat ka jingkhang ka pli na ka benta jong ki baro ar pasaw kenta kadai ka kamram jonga kum MLA banyak du ya sarkar bat ya keren halor kimat ke baya dei bat ka constituency jonga dei hakata ka rukam ngila trei kum ka sarkar ong ubak nga balang.
Okay, let us see because me also it seem I saw from the media they are going to march the secretariat or something, but actually no need for them too much. They can come and submit a memorandum nicely to the chief minister and have a dialogue and discuss. That usually how we run the governments. Obviously, if there is any public issues, any urgent issues from any political party has a right to meet the chief minister in a proper way or the government. So they are most welcome if they come and place their agenda, place an issue, we'll discuss on that. No issue on that. So I have seen a few agendas, but they will be explain to what is the meaning. I saw the agenda is few of them. It's mostly government has been already under discussion under process. So the agenda is more this normal agenda only. So let's see when they come. Maybe they want to meet CM or something. So CM will address nicely, I think. But they are most welcome if they come in the form of 3, 4, 5 leaders. Usually what we have, if any protester, anybody comes, we always welcome them for talks. And surely that day when they come, so let's handle it. So we are open to everybody, any political party, no issue on that, because we are here to serve the people. We are here to serve the state nicely. Yes, if there is any lapses here and there is a place to talk, and they are most welcome for talk. Anybody. No, that to let CM reply, not me, because I think they want to meet CM only. And obviously, the government is always open to for everybody to talk, for talks. And if there is any issue, let us solve the issue collectively for the people of the state. Sometimes, you see, if you just keep playing politics every now and then 24 hours, we are here to serve the people. Suppose if any PT issue and we have to call public to match with the secretary, what are the point public elect us? We have been elected by the people to represent for their issue. And if small issue and we call people, come let us match to secretariat. This is not the way. All the MLAs, the MDCs, the people leaders, they have the right to meet the chief minister and the government nicely in such a manner. And the door is open for them 24 hours. Suppose if any issue in my constituency, I have to call my people to accompany me. I'm their leaders, I'm their MLA. It's my duty to meet the government to discuss that issue respectively for whatever constituency. So I have seen it's a practice from the past also. If there is any issue, maybe the particular MLA or the particular political party, they always meet with the leaders, with the government. And that's how it works in the government.